Ava lets them know that she's invited Questlove, and they're like, yeah, just like you invited Jasmine Sullivan to the last open house, so they don't believe her. Welcome again to my Tens and Tens of Friends. It's me, Teacher TJ, and today we will be rewinding and reviewing Abbott Elementary Season 3, Episode 10, To Ava Fest. The show starts with the teachers and the cafeteria staff in the lunchroom, and they're prepping like it's Hell's Kitchen. They're chopping up stuff and running around. It's real chaotic back there. And they go to walk their meal to the front, and Mr. Johnson's sitting at the table looking like he's Gordon Ramsay. He takes one bite and gives it a second. Then he says it's trash. So I guess now they have to start over and prepare something else because Ava Fest is really supposed to be open house, but it's Ava Fest is coming up. Janine at the district, Janine is doing well at her job. She's getting positive feedback about her program, her librarian program. The superintendent encourages everyone to keep working hard and don't forget the best thing that they can do when bringing him a proposal is to make sure that it's free. Meanwhile, Janine is missing her student. At Abbott, they're prepping for the Ava Fest, and all of the teachers are letting Ava know that she needs to relax because it's an open house. Although she calls it the Ava Fest, it's really just an open house. Ava lets them know that she's invited Questlove, and they're like, yeah, just like you invited Jasmine Sullivan to the last open house, so they don't believe her. Gregory has finished his proposal, so he gathered some things from all of the teachers along with his proposal to take up to the school district with Janine. When he stops by Janine's office with his proposal, he also dropped off all of the things that the other Abbott teachers gave him, and he lets her know that Ava wants the lanyard back, and he's like, you probably got it at home. So he tries to collect the lanyard, which
Ava said I need to get your Abbott lanyard from you. It's probably at home or something like that. So when you get a chance, just... You still have it on?
Yeah, just thought it went well with this outfit and all my other outfits. So, thanks for coming, Gregory. Yeah. And I love my dirt.
It's a plant. But see you around.
Bye.
So Ava is pumping everybody up for Ava Fest, and the teachers do not believe her. At the district, the superintendent gave Janine a job to do, but she's like, I thought I would just be working at Abbott. And he's like, no, you work with all of the schools. Meanwhile, the teachers are making alternative plans for someone else showing up because they don't believe that Questlove is going to appear, just as Jasmine Sullivan didn't appear last Ava Fest. At the district, everyone's trying to get Janine to get on board with her new position. They're giving her all of the perks. They're asking her to sign for like her 401k and her insurance and her parking pass. They're giving her a MacBook, a parking space, and all of the things. Like, this job is the dream position. She even has a nice view at the job. They're throwing her a party, but she is not really wanting to partake in any of the festivities. She does not want any of the things. So she goes over to her office to read the card that Barbara wrote her, and the card made her smile, but reading the card, the kids wrote her a message, and they said they missed her, which made her not want to take the job and to go back to Abbott. So Gregory's grant was approved, but just as we suspected, Janine went back to Abbott. She did not want to take the position, and the superintendent let her know that he would be holding a grudge against Abbott. Ava is excited about Questlove coming to the Ava Fest, and all of the teachers are like, girl, you know he ain't coming. And Barbara begins to read Ava for Philip, like, you're a liar. Why are you like saying Questlove is coming? You know he's not coming. When Questlove pops up, he lets everybody know how they know each other. and he begins to DJ for Ava Fest. The kids are dancing, the food is good, and everybody's having a good time, and the show ends. And that wraps up this episode, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye for now.